evening. Hi. Today we have an interesting video for you that is not our own, but was gifted to us by our friends that we met on our Disney cruise, Nick and Rachel.
So they're going to take you on a nice little room tour on a Disney Wish of one of the ones that are at a Porthole.
So not an inside stateroom, an Oceanview stateroom.
Yes. So these are the ones with the porthole on it. So that way you can see what they are. Without further ado, here's the room tour.
Room 7674 on the Disney Wish. This is a Oceanview, a deluxe family Oceanview. You got the Cinderella carriage here. Going inside, we've got closets. You have your card slot, your main light to turn off the lights, turn on. You've got your storage closets. Life back just top. We do have two robes. The lights do come on automatically. And safe laundry bag, the other side of the life jackets. And then your third storage compartment includes the ladder for the bunk. Additional life jacket because we have an infant on board. On the other side of the hallway, we've got the bathrooms here. Split bathroom arrangement. Going in, night light down below like the other staterooms. And then the main light. This has got the toilet, trash can. That is not a drawer, that is not a drawer. You do have a sharps container, sanitary envelopes, extra toilet paper. You need it, cleaning brush, etc. for crew. Hooks for cleaning suits, etc. Be sure to watch your step. The second bathroom is the set split here. You got a super nice tub shower combo. We open up the glass. Really good amount of space, very deep tub. Soaps on the wall. A clothesline to go across. The glass can go in and it can go out as well. Sink, body lotion, makeup towel, etc. Lighted mirror and towels. Kleenex, extra towels. This room does connect into the other stateroom next to us. We do not have that stateroom. Honk and bake TV. It does not move, it does not tilt. These white walls are magnetic. Same as here is magnetic. We have a Frozen themed room. Olaf, Sven, and then the ice castle in the background. Same as your rooms. You've got the Euro style plug with USB-A, and then you've got your night lights. So this one does the main light. This one also does the main light. There are spotlights there. Like I said, TV. We got the vent above. My kids' stuff. behind the kids stuff, you will see 110 outlets, a USB-C and USB-A. And again, these are duplicates of the other lights. That one turns on the spotlight for the painting. Phone to go to guest services. Pretty big mirror. You do have mirror light, ceiling light, and then your drawers, basics, postcards, stationery, hair dryer, a couple of shelves, drawers. This is a little chest mini fridge drawer thing. We do have the couch, the pull down couch. This will pull down as well. And then we have a room that sleeps 5, so that is a Murphy bed that will pull down. Here is our big porthole. You can see we are just now leaving the fort. And then you've got Olaf here with this space. But overall, it is a really good space and lots of space underneath for baggage and such. Here is the Murphy bed that is pulled out. As far in the mess, you've got your little coffee table right here that is offset so that it can go and turn over if you want to. We just stick it right here to put it out of the way because we did use the pull down couch for the bed. We did not do the top because we had an adult and a toddler. I wanted to show you do have this little nook in the Murphy bed which has USB chargers, and then there is a light with a light switch right there and a little nook here to kind of cradle your phone while it charges at night.
So I hope you guys like that room tour. Once again, thanks to our friends Nick and Rachel for doing this video for us. And hope you guys like it so you understand what's also on the Disney Wish and what the porthole rooms are.
And I hope you guys check out the rest of our channel so you can see what adventures we have been on, and you'll stick around for our next adventures. We'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.
Bye.